Hello everyone, this is Amity Sensei. What I'm gonna talk about today is that I'm sure you have some notes or documents you don't want others to see on your iPad, and I want to show you what you can do with them in this video. Lots of people seem to be using the longhand note app a lot, but we got these popular apps, GoodNotes 5, Noteshelf, and Notability. We have a bunch of other apps too for sure, but I will say these are most commonly used ones. We're going to talk about Noteshelf, which allows you to lock documents one by one using passwords. With this, you can keep your journal, for instance, or protect some PDF files by loading them into Noteshelf. I personally like to write random stuff, my thoughts and my feelings, and I don't really want others to see them. But with this feature, you can protect any documents like that. And in this video, I want to show you how to do it, and also give you a little look at how my life's been going recently. For the UI, we have a list of categories on the right hand side, and all of the different types of notes here in the middle. To start, we press the plus button at the top right, and select New Notebook to make our new notes. You can customize a lot of things like the cover for the notebook, the format, whether it's portrait or landscape for instance, the size and how thick the ruling is. Now that we're all set up, let's start writing. To add more pages, you can just slide a paper to the left or right, and it will add them one by one. From here on, I'm going to be writing my journal. I'll just write about how my life's been going and add in some pictures. I actually moved to a completely new house with a new studio just recently, so I've been really focused on buying some new studio equipment and furniture. And that's pretty much what I've been doing lately. This is a picture of the studio. It's pretty much finished. I set the foundation white in color and my equipment all black. Then my furniture and accessories are all red. I got a bunch of new equipment too actually. A new monitor, new camera, new lights. I actually built so much, I'm afraid I'll go broke. But it's all really coming together, so I want to give you all a tour. So while we're here, I want to write just a little bit more. This is the living room. If you search interior on Pinterest, a bunch of really great pictures show up. I use those as a reference and round around to lots of different furniture stores. Buying some nice furniture and setting them up has been my life for the past few days. I really like my tableware shelves and my fridge. It actually took a long time for me to decide to buy them, so that's why I kinda want to show them off here. I'm not sure if you're interested in my personal life though. Maybe I'll make a sub-channel focusing on my life, but would you guys watch it? Well, let me know what you think, or what kind of videos you want me to make in the comment section down below. I'll read your comments and decide what kind of videos to make. And then, how about I add some of the food I had? Right, I pasted in some embarrassing photos. This is my breakfast nowadays. Some fruits and protein fortified yogurt. So that's got 10 grams of protein in it. I really like it. I'm really into weight training these days, so I'm trying my best to get enough protein in my diet. And so that's my breakfast. And this picture in the middle is lunch, I think. It's pretty basic, right? Veggies, sweet potato, and some seafood. I changed my diet a little bit, but this is what I eat right now. What I just pasted in are my desk accessories. I usually pick up a bunch of stuff from the store, and most of the times I go with silver or green color things. As for the nails at the bottom right, I just searched red nails on Pinterest, found a nice picture to screenshot, and then show it to the person at the salon. And with this, the Amity Sensei journal is finished. You can see a list of the pages by pressing the button at the top right. There you can see that we have 3 pages in total. Now let's suppose that you have a journal or documents in your note app that you don't want others to see. Let's talk about how to lock them, and this is the highlight of today's video. If you go back to the very first screen, you can see all of your notes. First, let's change the name. For today, I'll just call it a top secret journal or something. Once you're done with that, it pops up on the screen. So let's open it. We need to open it for the button to pop up. With it open, press this icon at the top left and there will be a password option. So set it to on. And this will bring up the settings for the password. Here you can type your password in and confirm. You can also set up a hint. When you put in the password wrong a few times, it will pop up. So go ahead and set it if necessary. By the way, in Noteshelf, if you forget the password for your document, there's no way to recover it, so make sure to never forget your password. Once you set the password, if you go back to the note list and try to open it, it will ask you for the password. You can also use Face ID for this. If you want to do that, make sure to enable the Face ID option beforehand. You can choose whether to use Face ID or the password that we just made. After this, it will let you see and edit your document. Let's review. You can use the password option under this icon at the top left. It actually took me a while to find this, so I was a bit frustrated. But remember to open your notes first before you go to the icon at the top left. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. Noteshelf is the only app that comes with this unique feature. As far as I know, GoodNotes 5, Notability, and other note-taking apps don't have this password feature. So for anyone who wants to use this feature, go ahead and download Noteshelf. When I feel kind of down or when I want to organize my thoughts, I like to write out everything in a note file. And I don't really want others to see those, so I make sure to lock them. And for people working with personal information, you can lock those files too. This is a great way to keep that info secure. So please give it a try if you're interested. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to answer them there or in my future videos. I'm here to help you guys after all, so. But anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I make videos on tips and hacks of iPad, so please do that too. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!